Let's say there are two bonds, bond B1 and bond B2. Bond B1 has an annual coupon of 10%, bond B2 has an annual coupon of 15%. Periodicity for B1 is semi-annual, periodicity for B2 is quarterly, that is m is equal to 2 and m is equal to 4. The current price for B2 is 104. The current price for B1 is 96. Maturity for both the bonds is 3 years. Yield to maturity for B1 is 11.6171 and for B2 is 13.3598. Current yields for B1 is 10.4167, for B2 it is 14.423. Now we have to find out which bond is riskier and what is the compensation it is giving for the risk. Now, from this we cannot compare the riskiness. First, to measure the riskiness, the periodicity has to be same. So, either both these bonds have to be converted into semi-annuals, or both these bonds have to be converted into quarterly periodicity. First, let us convert this quarterly bond into semi-annual periodicity. Let's see what transpires. So, we already know 1 plus y2 by 2 whole square is equal to 1 plus y4 by 4 whole to the power 4. We already know y4 here, right? That is the yield which is compounded quarterly. We already know that. This is the yield. So, this implies 1 plus y2 by 2 square. This is for B2. We are converting it to m is equal to 2. 1 plus 0.133598 by 4 whole to the power 4. This is equal to, let's calculate. This comes to 1.14044. Therefore, y2 by 2 comes to be root over of this minus 1, right? 1.14044 root minus 1. This is equal to 0.06791. Therefore, y2, this is for B2, comes to be 0.67914 into 2. This is equal to 0.1358. Okay. So, this is the y2 for B2, bond B2. The spread between y2 for B1 and y2 for B2 is 0.1358 minus 0.11617. This is equal to 0.01966 approximately, which means 1.966% or 197 BPS approximately, 197 basis points, right? Now we convert B1 to a quarterly basis and see what is the basis difference. So, basis difference, why are we taking it out? We are just trying to find out the compensation B2 is paying to make up for its higher risk. This is compensation B2 is paying to make up for its higher risk. Now we turn both of them into the quarterly basis. Already B2 is in quarterly basis, so we do not have to do anything about it. We just have to turn B1 to quarterly basis. Let us do that. So for B1, we are converting it from m is equal to 2 to m is equal to 4. 1 plus y 4 by 4 whole to the power 4 is equal to 1 plus y 2 by 2 whole to the power 2. This is equal to 1 plus y 4 by 4 whole to the power 4 is equal to 1 point, we just have to divide it by 2, the percentage terms of it. So 0.116171 divided by 2 plus 1 whole square. This is equal to 1.1195 approximately. So this comes to be 1 plus y 4 by 4 is equal to 1.0286, implying y4 is equal to 0.1145 or 11.45%. Now in this case, the spread between B2 and B1 comes to be y4 for B2 minus y4 for B1. This is equal to 13.3598 minus 11.45. 1.9067% or 191 BPS. So in quarterly terms, this is the payment that is being made by B2 to compensate for the higher risk.